was invented in 1895 by William G. Morgan, physical director of the Young Men's Christian Association or YMCA in Holyoke, Massachusetts. It was designed as an indoor sport of businessmen who found the new game basketball too vigorous. Morgan called the sport Mintonette until a professor from Springfield College in Massachusetts noted the varying nature of play and proposed the name of volleyball. The original rules were written by Morgan and printed the first edition of the official handbook of the Athletic League of the Young Men's Christian Association of North America in 1897. The game soon proved to have wide appeal for both sexes in school, playground, the armed forces, and the other organizations in the United States, and it was subsequently introduced to the other countries. In 1916, rules were issued jointly by the YMCA, the National Collegiate Athletic Association or NCAA. The first nationwide tournament in the United States was conducted by the National YMCA Physical Education Committee in New York City in 1922. The United States Volleyball Association or USVBA was formed in 1928 and recognized as the rule-making governing body and in United States. Beach volleyball, usually played as its name implies on a sand court with 2 players per team, was introduced in California in 1930. The first official beach volleyball tournament was held in 1948 at Will Rogers State Beach in Santa Monica, California, and the first FIVB sanctioned World Championship was held in 1986 at Rio de Janeiro. Beach volleyball was added to the roster of the 1996 Olympic Games in Atlanta, Georgia. The rules and regulation: 6 players on a team, 3 on the front row and 3 on the back row. Maximum of the 3 hits per side. Players may not hit the ball twice in succession. A block is not considered a hit. Ball may be played off the net during a volley and on a serve. A ball hitting a boundary line is in, and the ball is out if it hits an antenna, the floor completely outside the court, any of the net or cables outside the antenna, the referee standard full, and the ceiling above a non-playable area. It is legal to contact the ball with any part of a player's body. If 2 or more players contact the ball at the same time, it is considered one play and either player involved may make the next contact, provided the next contact isn't the team fourth hit. A player cannot block or attack a serve from on or inside the 10-foot line. After the serve, frontline players may switch position at the line net. At higher competition, the officiating crew may be made up of 2 referees, line judge, scorer, and an assistant scorer. Court dimension: the volleyball court is 60 feet by 30 feet in total. The net in place in the center of the court, making each side of the net 30 feet by 30 feet. A center line is marked at the center of the court. A service line: the area from which a service may serve the volleyball. The net is placed directly above the center line. Volleyball posts should be the set of 36 feet apart, and the minimum ceiling height should be 23 feet. The equipments of the volleyball: net, ball, jersey, shoes, knee pad, elbow pad, recovery gear, ankle braces, finger tape, penalty card, scoreboards, volleyball cart, coach board, poles, rotation collector, and floor tape. Officiating: volleyball officials that make up the officiating crew are the first referee, second referee, scorekeeper, assistant scorer, and line judges. The first referee is in charge from the beginning of the match until the end. The games: jump serve: the server stands at the back of the serving area. Forearm pass: from the basic defensive position, knee bent, feet spread, one foot slightly in front of the other. The outstretched arms are brought together with thumbs together and rotated downwards. Front set. The set is essentially a refined overhand pass. Block positioned about an arm's length from the net and ready to jump. The defender follows the flight of the ball with hand raised. Dig. From the basic defensive position, knee bend, feet spread, one foot slightly in front of the other. The outstretched arms are brought together while the athlete lunges toward and under the ball in order to pop it back into the air with the hands or arms.